Welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Xbox app on PC. It's really simple and it won't take more than a minute. The first thing you want to do is make sure the Xbox app is installed on your PC. If you don't have it yet, just open the Microsoft Store, type Xbox in the search bar, and click install. Once it's done, open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now look at the left side of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a person. Click on it. That's your Friends tab. This is where you can see everyone you're already connected with. Now at the top of that panel, you'll find a search icon. Click on it and type in your friend's gamertag. For example, let's say you want to add someone called Alex. Just type ProGamer99 into the search bar and hit enter. Their profile will show up right away. Click on their name, then click Add Friend, and that's it. The request is sent. Once they accept, you'll be able to see when they're online, what game they're playing, and jump straight into their session from the app. Really that simple. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask. We drop quick and easy tutorials just like this one every week. I'll see you in the next one.